Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning in, and today I am going to be trying this on because I'm going out in the snow to help my hubby and just to take pictures, film a little bit, but I'm going to show you what it looks like outside. So in New York City, they've already had like about almost 2 feet, and here, New York State, we have maybe a little less. But we've had, it's been snowing since yesterday. It already stopped. So anyway, so I am getting ready to go out. And I have a whole bunch of layers on. And these, my hubby bought at one point. And he thought that these were for men. And he says that they're for women. So I'm going to put these on. But well, I don't have a bra, so it doesn't. But if I put this like that, I don't know if you can tell, but they're very, very long. So I think that when I put this on, it's gonna be like up to here. So let's see what this looks like. This is the first time that I'm trying something like this. I don't know if you're hearing that's him in the garage. I'm turning on the machines. I have so many layers. I have 1, 2, 3 layers, and I'm still gonna have some sweaters on. So yeah, I'm gonna have to bring this all the way up to here because it's very long. Oh man, the zipper broke. You know what? This is so old, this thing. The zipper broke. Anyway, I have one of those snap-on buttons. So that's what I'll use. But yeah, the zipper broke. Now I have to look for that other little thing because I don't want to step on it. Alrighty, so I still need to put on the boots. I'm gonna wear his boots. So how do I look? So yeah, so anyway, so I'm gonna bring you back. I'm gonna bring you back to the outside. When I'm outside, I'll let you see me. So stay tuned and thank you for watching.